Welcome to another video. Today, I'm gonna tell you my story how I become a YouTuber. Okay, I wanna be a YouTuber like Bionic and Kipli Pepper Tomashi. Okay, you know that all of us and Kevin from Pepper. I wanted to be a creator on YouTube, so I make a YouTube channel. I wanna make a YouTube channel. I wanna blow up. But if you want to see my face, just go to my shop. You will see it. Please get me to reach, 200, 200k. No, I'm just joking. 200 sub. Please subscribe. That will be helpful. Now we are on the story. I wanna be a big little famous kid like Tim. I wanna be like him, so I made my account on YouTube, and I made my first video beating the hardest parkour, but I never did it. So I didn't beat it. So you know what I did? I didn't beat it. I just stopped recording. So I wanna be like Tim and Bob, Bionic and Kipling and Peppa. I wanna be like them. Because I wanna be like them because they are famous. I wanna be famous too, but I wanna be a little bit of starter, beginner. I'm still a little bit of a beginner on YouTube, so I don't know still YouTube because I'm just 9. Maybe later, maybe I'm 10. Because the year is almost up. It's gonna be 2026, and the school is finally grade 5. Now I'm gonna be a hard little grade 5er. So guys, please like and subscribe if you do that, and please comment the video right now, please. And I'ma tell you the story that I'm still on YouTube. I'm on still at school. My first day of school, I found a girl who just looked like sister. The hair just looked like my sister, but she's really not. She was my crush on grade 4, on 3rd grade. She was. I'm just gonna spoil her name. Her name is Kylie. She's my crush at grade and at 3rd grade. So I love him. I like him a little bit, and we talk a little bit sometimes when my teacher pulled me on another seat. We're not talking anymore. So we're not talking anymore since 4th grade. I think she's gonna be on legally on. Oh no 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, come back to the story. She was my crush. So she was my crush guy. So you know what I did? I asked her out for a date. You know what she said? Yo! He said yes. And we go on the date. I'm still on 3rd grade. So I don't know why. But I asked her on a date. I took her on a freaking beautiful day, guys. And she keeps texting me. And after he blocked me. because she's seeing someone else. I don't know his, but I know his name. I searched Kylie on social media, and I see his face on social media. I see it. She was hanging out with another guy. You know what's his name? Kylie
You've got
and
mail.
Kyle. She don't like my name like Alki. It's so good. It's good name. And she blocked me like she always did. She blocked me twice. And I call her twice. Joke lang. Joke lang. I didn't call her because she blocked me. And we're on a rough day since my girlfriend, joke lang, my crush abandoned me by her freaking Kyle friend. I don't want to say friend, so guys, joke lang, it's not finished yet. And my other school. This is when I'm grade 4. I'm 4th grade now. So, yo. Okay. That's when I see my crush. You know my crush. His name is Busi. I'm not gonna spoil her name. But she's right next to me. No, she's not Ellie. But I'm not gonna spoil her name. His name is... I will explain in the comments. I will tell her in the comments what the name is. My crush. Okay. We were really excited except for Kylie. So we hang out like I come to her house for a sleepover. Oh my god, we were really the story. Then with the freaking story. No. Ah! My god, guys. Run, guys. Okay, the story begins. I know, joke lang. So, going out sometimes, we find out we thought she has a crush on me, but I don't really like her that much. And if you see this video, I'm sorry, Busia, but I like you a little bit. And we've been hanging out like calling together, calling together. So what do you want to do? So guys, that's my story. Bye. So guys, bye. That's my story. Bye.